Hi, it's Liz, and today we're putting together a little gift basket for a teenage girl. And I thought you should see some of the stuff that I've made that I'm putting in, and it might give you ideas if you need to make one for yourself or somebody that you know. So I started off getting like a composition notebook, just one of these notebooks, and it was purple and white, but I wanted to make it more unique, so I was able just to use my home printer and just regular sticker paper. It was a full sheet, just a letter size sheet of sticker paper. I was able to put somebody's face on it and a saying, and just printed it off. It did print off a lot darker in person than it was on my screen. So I saw this little trick where you take a ruler and a piece of felt, and then you just start on one side and lift it up and put your sticker paper on and then put it that way. Once your sticker paper is on, it's very difficult to remove, so it's kind of a one-shot thing. I also made the size of my sticker paper bigger than the size of the composition, just in case I did move it over. It was definitely, you needed to trim off the excess and everything, and you didn't want it to be once it's on, and if it was moved over incorrectly, that's it. That's all the shot you got. So I do have a big chopper, but if you look in the center of the composition books, there is stitching actually. So if, say, you were really off at the very top, you can you know, chop it if you have a big chopper, but you run the risk of chopping the string as well, so you can't do it too much. You can obviously go this way further without any effect, but just for the top and bottom, just something to be thinking about if you're going to make your own. Also, I don't know if it's just the quality of maybe the sticker paper I got or maybe the colors I'm using. The composition notebook that I bought was purple and white, kind of speckled like this, and I was putting a blue cover over top. Some of the area was able to show through a little bit, so it just kind of depends on your quality. I'm just gifting my own away, so it's not that big of a deal, but just something if you're wanting to make it a little bit more professional looking. So another thing I wanted to do was some notepads. So I ended up just getting a letter size paper. I've been using Canva quite a lot, and they just have templates and that you can change how you like it or what you want it to say. So I just ended up doing that, put 2 on a letter size paper and just cut it in half. So then I put it on a chipboard just like that. And this is like a little notepad that I made. I also made like a little cat notepad. On Canva there is also a template for a different character that was on it. I think it had a bunch of hearts, but I wanted cats on there, so I was able just to do that quick swap out. So then what I do is I cut it down to the side, especially with the chipboard. I get some just binder clips and I put some of the chipboard on the front. I have also seen it where you put like a white cover on the front of the page just so that you do rip it off, just because, I don't know if you could tell, this is just also another little tester. There is glue that I can see up here, and you're just putting glue on the very top. I've just been using, it's called pH neutral. I don't think you have to go as this fancy, but it just works really great. If I was selling it, maybe I would do something like that, but gifting it away, I'd probably just use regular glue, but I do have those on hand. So I do put just the chipboard at the front. Obviously it comes off, but I did notice otherwise it leaves indents on your pages. And then I just left it for the night, and then I flip through it in the morning time. So these ones I'm making for Christmas. I'll show you another time. So I did buy some other things. So face mask was on there. I got different types of face masks for a teenager. I also put, so at the very front of the package, I did put a little like meme type of thing, needing some TLC. It's like a 90s band. So I don't know if she'll even get that reference, but anyhow, so I did that and I just printed it out on cardstock and cut it out. So in the care package, I did buy some things, bubble baths, some hair accessory things that you put around before you do makeup, or some mask type things. Pocky sticks, they're just good to eat. Some stamps, so those little cylindrical things are just stamps with different sayings on it. I found this really cute. cat pen, and so I got one for myself as well. And yeah, it's just a really fun cat pen. I got some nail polish. We put in some hand lotion. I went to a store, Lush, and right now it's the end of September and they're having all their Halloween stuff out. So they had these bath, I'm not exactly sure what they're called, but they basically, you break a piece of it off and then it foams up like bath foam, bubble bath stuff. I don't really know. Anyhow, it was shaped like a cat, so that's the reason why I got it. But they had other things as well. They had like pumpkins and I don't know, a whole bunch of things. There was an axe as well. It was kind of a medieval, like Viking looking axe, which would be kind of fun depending on the theme you're going for. I also put in some like lip masks and a little small eraser. I put in a protractor set, though it was just really on sale, so I just thought, oh well, she might need it for school. So I was looking for other things that I had made, and these little embroidery things, I still haven't done anything with them. The embroidery's kind of been on a hiatus for some time, just getting everything else done, but I thought, oh, these alligator clips would be really cute, and some flat one-sided beads so that you can use a hot glue gun. She could maybe, I don't know, so these are double back, so you could also poke a hole through and then put the alligator clips. So those are just some quick things that I've been working on. We are heading into fall, so I am excited to get more projects and start building up for Christmas, DIY Christmas things, so stay tuned. Okay, bye.